You guys, the most exciting delivery ever just arrived. This is the most expensive thing I've ever ordered for my garden, and it is a tree. I'm so excited about this tree. I hope that it looks good. Hi there, you guys. I don't think I've ever been more excited to unbox something. This box contains my absolute dream tree. I've wanted this tree for 3 years. Literally, since we moved into this house, I've wanted this tree, and I told myself, no, it's too expensive. I finally bit the bullet and did it because, you know, what better time to plant a tree than literally yesterday. I ordered this from Wilson Brothers Gardens. I paid for this with my own money. They're an online nursery that specializes in large specimens. So if you're looking for large trees, it may be a good place to find something specialty. The tree that I ordered, actually, I saw it at the local garden centers and they were charging $250 more than what I paid for it. I'm really excited. It's supposed to be between 4 and 6 feet tall. Looking at the box, I'm thinking it's probably gonna be about 5 feet tall. And I also added on another tree onto this order because when you spent over $250, you got 5% off. And that pretty much gave me 50% off the second tree. So let's unbox this and see what these two trees look like. Oh! I'm so excited. It's so pretty. Oh my. This is only one tree. Where's my second tree? Oh, they only ship the Weeping Larch. Okay, I'm a little confused, but okay. It says that this was the only thing that was supposed to be in this box anyway, so maybe they're shipping it separately. It is absolutely stunning, you guys. Like, it's probably 5 feet tall. And it is beautiful. It has the nicest shape going on already. I am in love. I love how soft these needles are. It feels so nice. I love the way that it grows. I love that these grow in little clusters. This is the most beautiful tree ever. I'm so excited. Like, look at that. Oh my goodness. This makes me so happy. I am wondering where that second tree is though. I'm not even gonna lie, but this is the one that I ordered for. Oh my God, I'm so happy. There's an up close of the needles. You guys can see what I mean. I love how they grow in little clusters and sprays. And this should turn gold in the fall because this is a deciduous evergreen. And then it will just be weeping branches. And the branches are very flimsy, so they move in the wind. This is gonna be so beautiful. And I think I'm going to place it where we used to have dahlias and start landscaping that area. This is going to be the centerpiece. So it's going to live right here until we get past my last frost take because I'm not going to risk it because this is deciduous. I don't want it to die off. It looks so beautiful. And once I put it into place, I noticed something. This is the most adorable thing ever. It has a cone. Like, look at that. That truly does something for me. Oh my gosh, it has cones on it. I cannot wait to see what these cones end up looking like. I love this tree so much already. And I cannot wait to put it right in the center of that bed right there. It's gonna look so good watching it sway in the wind. And you guys, I got the fountain up and running for the season. I'm so glad that there were no leaks or anything. I did go ahead and put this bird bath heater inside of it because we are supposed to dip down to freezing in just a couple of days. We weren't expecting it and now we are. So we're gonna test this out. The water does feel pretty warm. It's supposed to keep the water above 68 degrees even if it goes below freezing. And it's only supposed to hit about like 30 degrees, so it's not like a super hard freeze or anything. This looks stunning. I love it so much. But what is bothering me is I never put in any type of edging when I put down mulch right here. So it is time to put down some edging. You guys know I love to shop at estate sales. Oh, it is dark in here. This is probably not the best time to be filming like straight. Oh, okay, there's better lighting. Okay, but I love to shop at estate sales because I love a bargain. And on an estate sale, I saw some of this no-dig edging and I got it for $6. It was this box right here, which actually is empty, but all the materials are right up there. Now, why we kept the empty box, I don't know. Just enough. Yeah, it's so nice seeing some edging along this bed. I definitely came out just a little bit too far, so there's just a little bit of grass that I'm going to have to remove around the entire perimeter. But I think it looks really, really nice. It's not my first choice of edging. This is plastic, so I know that eventually it's going to degrade. I would have preferred to have metal, but that's more expensive. But I think that this looks really, really good for the $6, and it's so nice to reuse something from someone else's estate sale. I honestly think it makes the fountain look smaller. Just having like that big box around it, it makes it just anchor to the space so much more. This fountain seemed huge in this space and now it seems small. Like I definitely feel like I could have went with a bigger fountain. And like I said, ignore that bird bath deicer. Eventually that'll be gone. There won't be a cord going up it. And I'm gonna grab that last Green Mountain boxwood for this corner so that we don't have to look at one missing the entire season. And I cannot wait to just pack this out with some beautiful color. I got my second package from Wilson Brothers, so let's open this up. Ooh, I'm already excited. I see new growth on it. Very well packaged, just like the other one, honestly. Whew. There she is. This little beauty is a 1-gallon Skylands Oriental Spruce. It'll grow, I can't remember the size of it, I'll have to put that on the screen, but it gets this lime chartreuse color, which is absolutely stunning. I don't think I have any type of lime evergreen, so I feel like this will be a great addition. What do you think about it, Risa? I think it is absolutely gorgeous. Like, it truly looks great all the way around. I've been really happy with my purchases from Wilson Brothers, I'm not gonna lie. They package things so well. Like, this is the best packaging I've ever gotten for plants. And the plants came in exactly what I expected. Size-wise, health-wise, I couldn't have asked for better specimens, honestly. I just saw the tag. It has all the information I was looking for. It's hardy down to zone 4. It prefers moist, well-draining soil, full sun to part shade, and it gets to be 25 to 30 feet tall and 8 to 10 feet wide. So it's nice and narrow, great for a small garden, but it adds a nice vertical accent as well. I think that this is gonna be so pretty. Like, look at that mature specimen right there. It's gorgeous. And I want to say this one has magenta cones as well, which will be absolutely magical. Oh my gosh, you guys, and I forgot to close out this video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think of all of the changes. Let me know what you think of my dream tree, because that Weeping Larch is absolutely spectacular in my opinion. And it is something I've wanted for so long, and I'm so excited to finally have it in my garden. The Skylands Oriental Spruce I think is going to be really interesting too. Just seeing the picture of that mature specimen, I just think it's going to be such a majestic looking tree. I love the way the branches like layer upon each other. It's really pretty. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys around for whatever video I come up with for next time. Bye guys.